in this video, I'll be bringing you guys along with me as I do my lip routine. If you guys want to see how to turn those dry, uncomfortable lips into really soft and luscious ones, stay tuned. Alrighty you guys, so a major key is to stay hydrated, so make sure you drink your water. Now this step, which is hair removal, is completely optional. I personally like to use creams to remove any facial hair or peach fuzz, but I will get into more details as the video continues. I also like to use Q-tips for a more precise, placement of the cream, and to make sure no hair is by your face, and make sure to cleanse your face with a soap that doesn't have any fragrances or anything like that, like super natural, and just make sure that area is clean. As you can see, I'm just taking a Q-tip and applying the cream onto my upper lip area. And this just removes any peach fuzz that I have. I don't do this that often, to be honest with you guys. It just depends on when I see any hair that I don't want on my face. And also there are a bunch of methods. I've been trying this method for a while and I like it because it's not painful. I don't personally see any hair growing back faster or thicker or anything like that. Now, I am incredibly hesitant when it comes to recommending products like this because it does contain a lot of chemicals that are not good for you. Please do a lot of research and definitely a patch test. It really just depends on your skin type and your preference. There are a bunch of other methods to remove hair, such as waxing, sugaring, threading, things like that. And as you can see, I just make sure I get every single remnants of that product off of my face by washing it and cleansing it. Then I restore that area with a lot of moisture. My favorite product to use is shea butter. Now for the fun part, I'll be exfoliating my lips and I'll show you guys 3 methods that I usually use. The first one is a sugar scrub that you can make at home with some honey and sugar, and just apply this to your lips with your fingers, and there you go. The second method is just using your toothbrush to exfoliate all those dead skin cells. And the last method that I actually really like and prefer is this e.l.f. lip scrub that comes in like a lipstick tube, and I like it because it's super precise. It gives you the same experience that you would get with making your own lip scrub. And yeah, I really like that method. And once you're done, you should have some nice exfoliated soft lips. Now this step I recently added to my routine and I really like it. It's a lip mask and I purchased this one from Marshall's. It was about $5 for a pack of 3. I left it on for 15 minutes and then I just removed it and wiped off the excess. You can also massage it into your lips. And now my last step is to add some lip balm. I always go for a natural lip balm. Usually I use shea butter, anything that's extremely moisturizing and good for the lips. And there you go, you guys. That is it. You have some nice, luscious lips. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!